Yes, it's the annual Cooper's Hill cheese rolling competition, an historic village event from, some say, the 15th century. A double Gloucester cheese is set rolling down the hill and contestants chase it. Banned by the authorities in 2010 for attracting too many spectators, therefore making it too dangerous, in the previous year 15,000 people turned up, the organisers had to withdraw. In subsequent years, watched and actively discouraged by local police, fans worldwide have continued to organise and attend this crazy event. Through the internet and word of mouth, there are an estimated 5,000 onlookers this time, who have all had to walk a couple of miles to get here. It's a great view from the top, but the 90-metre course is so steep you cannot possibly run to the bottom without falling. The whole world appears to be watching.
I can't say I'm going to win, but I'm going to try.
How did you find out about this?
Just word of mouth. You can't find a lot about it on the internet, actually.
Is this your first go?
It's my first run, yeah.
Really?
My debut cheese rolling today.
Wow. Do you think you're going to win a Gloucester cheese?
I'm aiming for it. I've got high hopes, to be honest. Yeah. You know, grew up on a farm, so used to at least walking down a hill. Now I think I'll just incorporate a few more rolls and we should be away.
Came here last year and ran in two races. Yeah, was stupid enough to come back.
Any injuries?
Nettle burns all up the arms and just general sort of like, I don't know, full body soreness, I suppose. No particular sort of breaks or muscle tears or anything, just all round, just general pain. But I saw a lot of people came off a lot worse than me. I saw like dislocated shoulders, broken legs, a lot of gone ankles.
There's no guessing where you come from then.
That's right, it should be pretty obvious. I came from Colorado Springs, Colorado, United States of America, over 3,000 miles, and I just came exactly for this race.
Really?
And it's always something I wanted to do on my bucket list, and this year I'm going to be checking it off, and I plan on winning.
Is this your first go?
This is my first go.
Wow.
Pretty excited. I'm ready.
Where did you first see this?
I first saw it on TV on ESPN and heard it was the craziest race in the world, and I came here to do it.
Well, best of luck.
Thank you.
And no injuries.
I hope so.
We're all just crazy.
Tension mounts before the first race, scheduled to begin at noon. A few days before the race, the traditional supplier of the cheese was apparently threatened, and it was decided to roll dummy cheeses instead.
Everyone tumble out of frame.
Going through frame.
And then you fight.
The first race is over, apparently with no injuries, and American Kenny Rackers was over the finish line first. He gets the cheese. But there is a strong suspicion that the first roll was actually a real cheese, because it was significantly heavier, faster and bouncier than subsequent races. They were probably using foam substitutes, which often arrived later than the contestants. On a positive note, despite one broken leg and other assorted mishaps, the strictly unofficial event drew a good-humoured crowd and no incidents requiring police intervention were reported.